Today we'll learn 25 simple English sentences that you can use in daily life. Let's start. My name is Ali. I am from Pakistan. I am a student. This is my book. I like apples. She is my sister. He is my friend. We are happy today. I can speak English. What is your name? Where do you live? How are you? I am fine, thank you. I am learning English. It is a sunny day. I am going to school. This is my bag. I like to read books. Please help me. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Can I come in? Sorry, I am late. I don't understand. See you tomorrow. Great job. Practice these sentences every day and you'll speak better English in no time. See you in the next video.